Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the dry run setting, and I'm going to tell you what is dry run setting and how to do the dry run setting option. What dry run setting is, if there is not enough water in the underground, and if your motor is still running, and there is no water coming out from the pump, there are chances that your motor will get destroyed soon because there is no water and your motor is running. So what we have given in our BTCO starter is, we have given a dry run setting option. In this dry run setting option, you can check at what particular amps the water is not coming out or the water flow is very slow. You have to check for the first at least once, and then you can set that particular amps in this dry run setting option. For example, your water is coming out properly, for example at 14 amps. At 14 amps the water is coming out properly and the flow is nice. And you see at certain amps, for example, I'm just giving an example, for example at 7 amps or 8 amps, the water is not coming out or the water flow is very slow. You note down the amps and then you go to the dry run setting option and then you set that particular amps, so that whenever the water is dry, that particular amps or below that amps, your starter is going to turn off the motor and your motor is safe. Now we'll see how to do that. Before you do the setting, you have to keep the auto switch off. And now I'm going to remove the fuse cutout, which is connected to N1 or N3, any one fuse cutout. And then I'm going to put it back again. And now you see the LCD is turned on, and within 10 seconds you have to operate this. First one is auto start delay, second one is SD delay, and third one is dry run set. Now I'm going to set the dry run set at 8 amps. And then again turn it on off. We have one more option to set the time. I'm setting the time to 2 hours and then turn it on and off again, and then minutes to 0 minutes. 2 hours I've set it and then turn it on and off. The option is set now. Everything is saved to whatever I did. Now I did one more thing here. I set the time and also the seconds. This time and second, we have given another option in our BTCO starter. Whenever this motor get turned off due to dry run, after 2 hours it should get restart. This is the option that we have given in our BTCO starter. So I have set the hours to 2 hours and minutes to 0. After 2 hours, your motor is going to turn on again. So this is the special feature in our BTCO starter. This feature can be used by the people who is getting less water or insufficient water in their underground. Thank you so much.